Now let us study about the working of the heart. Now imagine this is a heart. We are taking a schematic representation of the heart. We know that the heart has got 4 chambers. So this is the first chamber, the second chamber, the third chamber and the fourth chamber. The 4 chambers of the heart are right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. Now, first point, the deoxygenated blood from the body is brought into the right atrium by both the vena cava. So here we have the superior and the inferior vena cava, and both the vena cava, they bring the deoxygenated blood, that is impure blood, into the right atrium. We have denoted impure blood in black color. Now this deoxygenated blood passes into the right ventricle through the valve. So now the valve will open and the blood from the right atrium will flow into the right ventricle. These are the lungs. Now from the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood is carried to the lungs for oxygenation, that is for purification, by the pulmonary artery. So we have the pulmonary artery which carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. So you can see impure blood getting filled in the lungs. Now in the lungs, the deoxygenated blood is purified and converted to oxygenated blood, which we have denoted in pink color. Now the oxygenated blood from the lungs is brought into the left atrium by the 4 pulmonary veins. So these are the 4 pulmonary veins which bring the oxygenated blood into the left atrium. Now the blood from the left atrium passes into the left ventricle again through a valve. So here the valve opens and the blood from the left atrium flows into the left ventricle. And finally, from the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood is supplied to all the parts of the body through the aorta, which is the largest artery of the body. So we have the aorta, and the aorta carries this oxygenated blood and supplies it to all the parts of the body. So this is the working of the heart. Now, students, one very important point to note here is, as you can see in the diagram, that in one cycle, that is in one complete round of circulation, the blood passes through the heart twice. That is once from the right side and once from the left side of the heart. So the blood passes through the heart 2 times in one cycle. And that is why the circulation in human beings is known as double circulation, which is a characteristic feature of human beings as well as mammals. Now, this is the vertical section of the human heart, and this question can be asked as a diagram. So, a very important diagram, the vertical section of the human heart.